All right, what's going on, guys? This video, we're going to talk about a HID kit that is going to be the brightest setup you could possibly get for your Ram pickup truck. Doesn't matter if it's a 1500, 2500, 3500. If you guys have one of these 4th gen trucks, if you've been familiar with the channel, you'll know that I've done a ton of testing on headlights, headlight bulbs, LEDs, HID, all that stuff. Go check out the videos if you guys want to see all those comparisons. This is my ultimate combination. So I have a 55 watt HID kit in these factory projectors. So if you have the factory projectors or you have the factory quad headlights, this is going to be for you guys. You can see here I have it spec'd out. The truck's kind of dirty, but I have been testing this rigorously, and you don't have to do any programming, no coding. It is just plug and play, ready to go, and it works flawlessly, super bright, and has a nice cutoff. So if you guys are interested in this, I would prefer to spec it out in the 5000K that I have it here, but if you guys want, we can get you some different colors as well. You can see here in the 5000K, it matches the factory LEDs that we have down below. But enough of the talking, I'm gonna cut straight to this thing in action so you guys can see what it looks like in the real world at nighttime in the elements. Let's go straight to that footage. All right, guys, so here is the kit in action. You can see it is insanely bright, and it's not blinding oncoming drivers. Nobody's flashing me or anything like that. It's got a nice clean and clear cutoff, and the light output is just absolutely phenomenal. So I've tested a ton of bulbs, you guys, and this is so far my ultimate combination for 2023. And I just continue to revise and upgrade everything as more and newer products are available to market. So it is just absolutely incredible. As you can see, nobody's flashing us, but at the same time, my windshield's dirty. So this should give you some more perspective as well. So it's just, I mean, like, the results speak for themselves, you guys. But I do want to point out, like, for example, we're behind this vehicle, and it's not like we're lighting up their back window or anything. It's not like shining, you know, in their mirrors. The cutoff is keeping everything nice and low. And like I said, it's not bothering anybody else by any means, but at the same time, we have like absolutely great light output. Okay, guys, here it is on warm up, just so you guys can see. So if I wake up the system, they don't flicker, no issues. Truck is definitely dirty, but it'll take a minute here, and then you'll get full brightness. So they go from blue, and then as they warm up, they get white here. So there we go. This is the 5000K, just so you guys know. And that's how it looks on the ground. Turns out a pure white. So camera might not do it complete justice, but you guys saw what it looks like once it's driving. But yeah, about 30 seconds or so. And that's what they look like fully warmed up. Also want to point out to you guys that you don't need any programming with these. You can see here we don't have any bulb out indications, so we're in our messages and there's no stored messages. It's not telling us that there's a bulb burnt out. Absolutely nothing on the dash, no programming. I even went back in my settings, put it back to standard bulbs, since I do have the ability to, you know, program different stuff, but this is just factory programming, plug and play, good to go. All right, guys, and here is driving in complete darkness. You can see we got a nice clean cutoff, and then if I turn on the highs, and these are just stock halogen highs, it completely fills everything out perfectly. So that is, I don't think it gets any better than this, boys. There we go. And then if you want, I can turn off my fogs. There's the fogs off, fogs back on. It just fills in the very bottom half, but there you go. No fogs, highs. That's just strictly these low beam bulbs. All right, so as you guys can see, it is super bright, clean cutoff, and this is the best setup that I've come up with yet. This is using the best components that we can get in the making of this video, 2023, and I am going to piece this together for you guys. So if you're interested, get a hold of me. You can email me, message me on Instagram, Facebook. I will get you pieced together a kit. This is gonna be way more affordable than any of the other major brands. So most people are charging for something similar, but not even as good, about $250. So I am going to blow that price out of the water If you guys are interested, I'm gonna offer it for you guys, save you guys some money, get you guys some quality components, stuff that works with the Canbus system, keeps everything happy. So if you guys are interested, I'll leave all the contact details down below. Let me know what you guys think of this setup. I'm super happy to finally offer something for you guys. So again, if you have factory projectors or you have quads in your 1500, 2500, 3500 Ram 4th gen, I can get you hooked up. Also, if you guys do happen to have another vehicle, I can probably spec you something out. So just get a hold of me. I'll see what I can help you out with and we'll go from there. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe. Check out the other videos on the channel. We got lots of lighting stuff. And we'll see you guys on the next one.